Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make a complete website in WordPress. Let's come to the computer screen. First of all, we have to install a theme. Here is my dashboard of WordPress and I am going to install a theme. Click the appearance and here you will find the theme. Add new and then upload. I have purchased this Poco theme and here is a compressed file of this theme. Install now. After installation, activate it. Theme is activated now you have to begin activating the plugins or install the plugins. You have to install all these related plugins and then activate it. I have already installed and I am going to activate them. Here is some detail you have to put for the WooCommerce. You can skip setup store details. You can do it later. Now after installation of all plugins, let me show you all the plugins. Here, activate this also, activate this also, activate swatches for WooCommerce also. These are all the plugins that you have to activate before starting the job. Now all of our plugins have installed and activated. After successful installation of your theme, now I am going to show you what this website looks like. Visit site and show in a new tab. Here we go. We have some pages like menus, shop, cart, contact us, and now we will edit all of these pages according to our requirements and our data. Now we have to customize the theme. Click the appearance and then you will find a customize option here. Here is all customization option of this theme. First of all, we will do the site identity. Here is the name of your website or title. Here is the tagline and here is a picture for your favicon. You can change it, change picture, you can upload it and you can select it from the library. The next step is to set the menu locations. Menu location where you want to put the menu and what should be in the menu. If you want to remove from this menu, you can remove, but I am not doing. Next step is to set up the widgets, sidebar archive. Here you can set the block depending upon your needs. You can set the research and you can set the product categories. Whatever you want, you can set side archive from here. You can add some more widgets like calendar, cards, categories, element library, whatever depending upon your need. So the next step is to home page setting, and in my case I am going to set this page as a home page and this page as a blog page. So we are doing the theme customization and then the WooCommerce setting, notices and product catalog and product images, checkout. All of the setting will be done from here. Then additional CSS. If you want to change the CSS or some custom CSS to your website, you can type it here. This is all done in case of customization of theme. Now I am going to edit the pages. Just click the all pages and here first of all we will try to edit our home page. Click edit. Now I am going to do all this with Elementor. Now we have a header here in our theme and here is a footer of our theme and we can easily edit it with Elementor. You have to click edit header here and then you can easily change the text. You can easily change the location and these icons as well. And same here you can change the menus like its directions and you can change the text from here, images from here, and the same way you can edit this header easily with the help of Elementor. Now I'm going to tell you how to edit the footer with the help of your Elementor. In my case, here is my theme. Your theme may be different, but the procedure is same. You will find edit footer option here. Click here, and now you are in the position of editing the footer. You may change your data here, you may change address, you may change everything you want to change. You can easily be changed with the help of Elementor. Here is the Elementor entries for this section. You can change this as well, change this as well. So this is a way to easily edit your footer. Now we are going our journey to our website and we will do some editing here. For example, I want to edit this section. Click the edit page. You can see everything is now editable. If you will click on this element, you will find at left side all of its setting, like its caption, its links, its image size. Whatever you want to change, you can easily change it. Here you can find a text here and a button here. Similarly, a button, its links, you can easily be change it from here. So in this way we can easily make a website for our products or for our business. Now we will change this section, and here you will find a box. You can change its width, its size, you can change the column gap, you can change the height, fit to screen, or you can change set it as default. In the same way we can change these images, these elements also, their picture, and in the same way we can change all the elements of our website. So this is the editing of our home page, and hopefully you got all the concept to easily change all these elements with the help of Elementor. Now we will go back without saving it. In the same way you can edit the about us. Let me show you. In a new tab you can change blog post, you can change checkout, you can change contact us. Let me edit with Elementor. Here we go. The same procedure is here. If you want to edit some section, you have to click that section, and in the left side you will have all possible options for this section. You can change heading, you can change drop caps, you can set everything from here. And after editing of all the website, you have to publish it. After publishing, your website will look like this. Let me open it. You can see here our website is ready now, and here are the menus page, the shop page, cart page. Let me open the home. Now you will put some product. Let's see all the products. Here are the different products having no images, but you should add the product with some images like van bottle, and you can edit it. You can edit its name, its description, you can add it to some categories, you can add journal, inventory, shipping. All of things can easily be done from here. You can add some image for this also. I'm going to use this image. After putting it, I will up. You can update the text from here. Now our website is ready, and we have edited all the pages, we have edited the product. Now if we will done all of the product changes and all of the pages, then our website will be ready for the public. Now we will set up WooCommerce plugin in order to insert e-commerce functionality in our website. Here is a WooCommerce plugin that we already have installed, and now we are going to set up it. Click the start selling. Here we go. Now you have to fill this form. Now all done. Your WooCommerce plugin has successfully set up. Now you have to click continue setup and you will do some setting here. Add a way to get paid, sum up, add taxes, personalize your store, add product, view options. If you wanna set up via PayPal, you can select here. In my case, I am doing cash on delivery. If you want to set up a bank transfer, you can select it from here. Now click to preview the page. Here you will see different options, and then you will click strawberry tea, add to cart. Now you can see that every page of our e-commerce functionality is working fine. So this is the way how you can put e-commerce facility in your WordPress website. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial.